If you want to download this image, you can find the link in the description. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the background layer. Right-click on this layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Pixelate, Mezzotint. Select Coarse Dots. Go to Filter, Blur, Radial Blur. Use these settings. Go to Filter, Blur, Radial Blur. Use the same settings. Go to Filter, Distort, Twirl. Use an angle of 100. Double-click on the icon next to Twirl. Change the mode to Lighten. Go to Filter, Distort, Twirl. Make the angle -100. Again, click on the icon next to Twirl. And make the mode Lighten again. And that's how you create this effect.